Blessed Friday, everyone. February 28, 2025, and it's a beautiful, gloomy Friday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay na natin at mga blessings na tatanggapin pa rin natin kasama mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges that makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. Siyempre, pasalamatan din natin yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at siyempre doon sa mga taong nakikimaritis lang doon sa buhay natin, which inspires us to do more with our lives. Shout out doon kina Glenda, Gladys Naman Pucci, Margie Craig, Cecil Bores, Mama Lu, Luis and Susan, Jordan and Judith Sasil, Ruel Dacquad, CJ Almendras, Fernando Dandoy, Gilbert Ramirez, and Master Marvin. Kinabatitahan ni Papa Sibigan, Jima David, May Gumayan, Mabel Andres, Elizabeth Ibarra, Aileen Maagla, Eds Macalino, Winnie Claire Santiago, and Imam Glaidiel, and then sa lahat ng members ng the Order of the Nine Gates. Ripples of the day natin po is, for every little or great things exists in duality. Understand its essence and its existence with its peaceful unity, and all else shall be added unto thee. Keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Friday, everyone.